Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today, we'll be solving these exercises on logarithmic functions. The first one states that simplify the logarithmic expression log 27 base 9 minus log 81 base 3 minus 3 log 3 base 27. So solution. So we'll start from the first one. Number 1. So now, for us to simplify this, all the bases have to be the same. All the bases have to be the same. And it is easier for us to convert all the base to base 3. All the base, you see, this one is 9, this one is 3, this one is 27. We'll convert this 9 and 27 to base 3. So to convert a base of a log from the law of logarithm, it states that for you to convert a base, for example log b base x, for you to convert this base, it will become log x. So this one is log x base b. For you to convert this base b to base k, let me say k, you have to do it like this over log b base k. So this shows that I have converted this base b to base k. So this is according to the law of logarithm. So now we'll convert this. So this one will become log 3 27 over log 3 9 minus log 3. Now 81. 3 raised to the power of 4 will give us 81, you see. So this now becomes 3 raised to the power of 4 minus 3. All this one also will change the base. So it will become log 3 base 3 over log 27 base 3. So now this becomes log 3, then this is 3 raised to the power of 3 will give us 27 over log 3 raised to the power of 2, then base 3 minus 4 log 3 base 3 minus 3. This becomes 1 over log 3, that's log 3 square, so log 3 cube base 3. So this now becomes 3 log 3 base 3 over 2 log 3 base 3 minus 4. And this is 1 minus 3. This becomes 1 over 3 log 3 base 3. So this becomes 1, this becomes 1. So this becomes 3 over 2 minus 4 minus 3. This becomes 1 over 3. Since the log of a number to the base of that number is the same thing as 1. So now this and this will cancel. So this becomes 3 over 2 minus 4 minus 1. So this becomes 3 over 2 minus 4 minus 1. This becomes negative 7 over 2. So the final answer is negative 7 over 2. So this is the simplification. This is the final answer of exercise 1. Now let's do exercise 2. So here's the second exercise. Now we have to solve the logarithmic equation. We have to solve this logarithmic equation. Now we are going to correct like times. We will put all the one that has log to base of 6 to one side. So it will be log base of 6 x plus 9 x plus 3 is equal to 1. So now, according to the law of logarithm, and these logs have all the same basis, which is 6. So we will simplify it according to the law of logarithm. Since there's minus here, this will be divided, and since there's plus here, this will be times by this, the numbers in front. So now this and this will times it, and since there's a minus here, we'll divide this. So it will be x plus 9 multiplied by x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 equals to 1. So now we will take this base here. It will become so if you take this base here, it will become 6 raised to the power of 1, which is 6. So then we open this bracket. This becomes x squared plus 2x plus 9x plus 18 over x plus 3 equals to 6. Now this becomes x squared plus 11x plus 18 equals to 6x plus 3. We cross multiply. So this becomes x squared plus 11x plus 18 equals to 6x plus 18. So then we'll correct right time. So it will be x squared plus 11x minus 6x plus 18 minus 18 equals to 0. So this becomes x squared. 11 minus 6 is what? 5. 5x. This is 0, it's equals to 0. So now we'll factorize this. This becomes x plus 5 equals to 0. So x is equals to 0. Then x plus 5 is equals to 0. So x is equal to 0. This is all here. There will be all here. Or x is equal to negative 5. Because there are two answers. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to negative 5. This is the final answer for exercise 2. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email it in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.